Welcome back to Ways of Learning. What are we doing today? Well, today we're actually learning how to make butter. So I got another video where I showed you how to make butter. I basically took two of these 16-ounce heavy cream, put it in the blender with this, or the mixer with this, mixed it low speed at first, and then once it kind of started solidifying, then I cranked it up to the high speed. And so I had 32 ounces, and 16 ounces of it came back, or 2 cups of buttermilk. So I'm gonna pour that back in here and mark that for buttermilk. I'll make biscuits or use it when I make pancakes. We've got some friends coming over, and it made about 2 cups or 16 ounces of butter. And what I'm gonna do is in this video, I'm gonna show you how to compound butter. And what you can do is just kind of dial up your butter game. And you can compound butter with just regular store-bought butter too, but homemade butter or from whipping cream just has a higher fat content, so it just tastes better, has less preservatives. And so I'm going to take a couple cloves of garlic and add to some of this, and then I've got some crumbled blue cheese I'm going to add to some others that we're going to use. I'm going to give it to some friends that we're going to use to put on steaks. You simply roll it up a little smaller than this. This is pretty thick, but when I roll the other ones up, they'll be probably quarter size. And then you simply just cut off a couple pieces, throw them on the top of your steak, just to kind of level up your steak game or your Blackstone game, whatever you're cooking them on. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. You're simply just gonna want to take some press and seal or some saran wrap, put that down. You're gonna take a bowl and put your butter in it, and just kind of take a fork and mash it up. Mine's just freshly made, so it's really soft. So I'll put that in the bowl, and then I'll put whatever my garlic is with it, or blue cheese, and you just simply whip that up and mix it with the spatula, throw it down on the sealing go with a saran wrap, and then spin it, and put it in the fridge, and you've got, or the freezer, you've got compounded butter, or garlic butter, or blue cheese butter. So it's simple to make, and it just kind of levels up your game. Homemade butter is great for Christmas Day. If you're doing a Christmas Day feast with biscuits, or Thanksgiving, or Valentine's Day, or 4th of July barbecue. Nothing better than real butter. If you're taking the time to make homemade biscuits, half of what they're going to taste, or 60% of what they're going to taste, is the butter. So you might as well make better butter. It'll make your biscuits taste better. So anyway, I'll get after it and show you how to make it. All right, so I'm going to make some garlic butter for a buddy. So this is how you compound garlic butter. I'm going to do probably a tablespoon and a half of garlic. That kind of looks like a lot, but I'm going to fold in probably half a cup of butter in this one. So you're just going to kind of work the minced garlic into the butter. And if it looks like it's too much, I'll just add a little more butter. Probably would have worked going the other way, where you start with less garlic, but and take out my sealing press. I'm going to try to form it a little better as I go, if that helps. This may be way too garlicky. We'll find out. If it is, you can always just add some other butter to it and compound it down again, but it would be easier to just get it right the first time, but it's kind of what this. All right. Now we're gonna kind of form it, get it kind of how you want it. Nice and pressed down. All right, then we're gonna slowly roll it. Okay, and then I'm just gonna try rolling one side. Get it nice and tight, and then just slowly roll the other side and try that before I get crazy and spin it down. That worked all right. All right, and then just cut the tabs off. Put it in the fridge. And we've got garlic butter, blue cheese butter, regular butter, all ready to go. That's how you compound butter. You can use basil, you can use bacon, thyme, rosemary, whatever kind of ingredients you want to add to your butter. Thanks for watching. Look at the butter playlist if you want to see some other stuff.